Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we're going to take a regular salmon and we're gonna give it a little twist. So let's get started. So we're gonna have mashed potatoes and we're gonna start by boiling our potatoes, and I just add a little seasoning in the water so the potatoes can take on that flavor. And I have my salmon right here that I've already thawed out. So what we're going to do is go ahead and line it up in the pan, and we're going to be using some garlic powder, some onion powder. Also, we're going to be using a little ground ginger. Don't knock it till you try it. And also, I did not show this part, but I put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Or you could use butter or whatever oil that you choose. I just wanted to use olive oil. And the reason why I'm seasoning my meat, a little bit more than usual, because the barbecue sauce that I'm using, you're about to see, is Kraft. And I'm not a big Kraft person. I'd rather have Sweet Baby Ray's or make my own. First, I'd rather have my own, then Sweet Baby Ray's. But you have to use what you can get. And so, hey, I had to use Kraft. So we're just going to, the reason why I added different things to it, so it can still have that amped up flavor. And we still are just using the Kraft sauce. So your oven should be preheating to 425, and so this is how it looks when I took it out, and then I put more barbecue sauce on it because we want layers of sauce. So after I took it out the second time, I put it back in on broil for about 2 minutes. So we're going to start our mashed potatoes. They're nice and just the perfect consistency for a chunky mashed potato. So yeah, you can do creamy mashed potatoes or you can do a little chunky. So it all depends on what you like. So my husband likes chunky mashed potatoes, so that's what we did tonight. So I just put, I think this is about 8 potatoes, and I think I did maybe 3/4 stick of butter, and I think I did about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of milk. It just depends on how creamy you want them, the texture, the thickness, the stiffness. It depends on how you want to do it. But basically all you need is butter. If you want to make them garlic, onion, you put what you want in your mashed potatoes. All I needed to do was put some butter and this nature seasoning, because it has everything already in it: the garlic powder, the onion powder, salt and pepper. So yeah, that's all I'm putting in my mashed potatoes. You can even add cheese, make garlic cheesy mashed potatoes. I mean, mashed potatoes are so versatile. So yeah, you can just have fun with it. And also, we can't forget our food grass, aka parsley, right? Just to make it look, just to give it some color. And this is how the salmon looks when I took it out of the oven. Like I said, I broiled it for about 2 minutes, and just to get that nice charred look on top. And this is how our plate looks. We have our nice chunky garlic mashed potatoes, our banging barbecue salmon, and then we added some greens, because you got to get your greens in there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave me a comment if you will. And thank you again so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.